When I first started the software development course, things were a bit hectic because I did not understand what was going on. It was also new to me, but with the help of the coaches, they soon rectified all that, and I was on my way to learning how to build websites. I did not have any background in coding whatsoever, but the course content is actually quite easy. Most of the things that you do struggle with would be explained to you, and if you are still not getting to where you need to be, Google is always your best friend. What I enjoyed most about the software development course was being able to create my own websites. I was even able to create a Netflix clone. What I would say I enjoyed the least about this course was being stuck on a silly problem for about 4 or 5 hours straight and still not being able to figure out the answer. But what I learned from that is basically just to read through everything that I've done step by step and just go over all of those things again. The main challenge I faced during this course was time management. This course demands a lot of your time, so you need to be flexible and you need to schedule things accordingly in order for you to be successful. The software development course teaches you a lot about yourself, things that you've never even thought you've known. For instance, I hated maths on high school, but with coding I really found it way easier. Coding also teaches you different aspects of yourself, whether you are a problematic solving type of person or if you are more into design. For me personally, it was problem solving. This opportunity can open so much doors for you, not just for you, but your family as a whole. Things do tend to get tough sometimes, but with the right mindset, you could definitely be successful. So one day, I was scrolling through LinkedIn. I saw a post on there from one of the code coaches at CodeSpace Academy. I then decided to go inquire about the vacancy a bit and went on the website. As I've still been studying myself, I thought to myself, okay, this is a perfect opportunity. I applied for the intern. Yeah, we set up an interview. This job will definitely open up a lot of doors for me, not just for myself, but for my family as well. And as a newly married guy, I have a lot of responsibilities as well. So yeah, this job in tech will definitely help a lot. I would like to take this opportunity to firstly say thank you to Click for affording not only me but all other facilitators this opportunity, for always going that extra mile to make new courses available to us as facilitators, for basically investing in our futures. You guys might not always get the thanks that you so well deserve, but on behalf of me and everyone else, I would like to say thank you.